Today's topic is water cycle. The water cycle, also known as the hydrologic cycle, is the continuous process by which water is circulated between the Earth and the atmosphere. It's a vital process that sustains life on Earth and involves the movement of water in three phases: liquid, solid, ice, and gas, water vapor. The water cycle has four main stages: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and runoff. Water evaporates from oceans, lakes, and rivers into the air, forms clouds, and then falls back to the earth as precipitation. Once on land, water flows over the surface as runoff or seeps into the ground as infiltration. Evaporation, the first step. Evaporation is the process where the sun heats up water in oceans, lakes, rivers, and even puddles, turning it into water vapor. This vapor rises into the air, creating an invisible gas. Think of it like a pot of boiling water. As the water heats up, it turns into steam and rises into the air. Similarly, the sun's energy excites the water molecules, allowing them to escape into the atmosphere as vapor. Evaporation is an essential step, as it allows water to move from the Earth's surface into the air, eventually. Without evaporation, our planet would be a Condensation, the very dry second step. place. As water vapor rises into the air, it cools down, and its temperature decreases. When it reaches its dew point, the water vapor condenses into tiny droplets, forming clouds. This process is crucial, as it allows water to be stored in the atmosphere, waiting to fall back to Earth as precipitation. Without condensation, we wouldn't have rain, snow, or hail. Precipitation, the third step. Precipitation occurs when the condensed water vapor in clouds gets too heavy to remain suspended in the air. At this point, the water droplets fall to the ground as precipitation. That's rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Runoff is an important step in the water cycle, as it helps to distribute fresh water around the planet and shape our landscape through erosion. Without runoff, our rivers and lakes would be much smaller. Conclusion. And that's the water cycle. Let's recap. Evaporation. Water heats up and turns into vapor. Condensation. Vapor cools and forms clouds. Precipitation. Clouds get too heavy and release water back to Earth. Runoff. Water flows over land into waterways. The water cycle is an ongoing process that sustains life on Earth. It's a reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet and the importance of water in our daily lives.